On this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to properly remove moldy caulking, whether it be on your shower pan, your kitchen sink, or anywhere inside your bathroom or your kitchen. So make sure you stay tuned. Hey there friends, welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing the subscribe and notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. What causes mold to start forming on your caulking? Well, there are many variables, but the number one would be the type of caulk that you use. You are using the wrong type of caulking for the different scenario that you are wanting to apply it for. For this example, maybe we use the wrong type of caulk for this bathroom. There are two common types of caulking out there. There's latex and there's silicone. Silicone is what we mostly use for bathrooms and any types of expansion and contraction, whether it be in the windows or, for example, here in your bathroom, because it is very flexible and it is water repellent. And there's other ones that's latex. Latex is mostly used for your indoors, for your trims and your moldings, and it's not preferably used in bathrooms or things that does get moisture, or for example inside your bathroom, because that's where mold starts to happen. The one that we're going to specifically use for this bathroom would be the one meant for the job, which is going to be for the bathroom and sink applications, so that no matter what moisture it takes, it will never mold. The first thing that we want to do is remove this caulking, and I'm going to show you a product that will help you aid and make this a lot easier to remove. Let's get going. So what I did here was I masked off the areas that we're not going to be touching and we want to protect. So use masking tape and a piece of drop. To help us aid with removing this caulking, we are going to be using this Caulk Be Gone. So I made a specific video on different types of which caulking or caulk remover is the best. If you haven't watched that video, check this video out right here. And this came out to be the best for removing them. All you need to do is apply this, a bead of it, along the caulking that you're going to be removing. You're going to wait for 2 hours for it to settle, then we can start scraping it off. Now, if you're interested on this Caulk Be Gone and any other tools that I use within this video, I'll leave this and all the tools on the link on the description down below. Check out those links. A bead right on top, like so. This part is completely optional, but I like to do it anyways. With your gloves, just kind of massage it right into the caulk itself. Help spread it around. So if the first application doesn't fully remove it, you can reapply it depending on how thick the caulking is. So after about 2 hours, then you can start scraping it. The tools you can use is a paint scraper, a putty knife. Use one of these tools right here with the sharp edges and whatnot, or you can use a 3-in-1, 5-in-1 tool. Any tools that could possibly help, I'll leave the link on the description down below. It should easily come out just like this, and I'll show you. Look how easy it comes out just by scraping it out. It scrapes out and comes out like butter, just like that. Now this stuff is the real deal, guys. So if you guys are wanting to try this out, Caulk Be Gone, this is probably the top rated ones for a caulk remover. And scraping it just like this. Again, you might need a little bit of touch up from here to there, but it's coming out pretty easy. There you go. Comes out like butter. I got most of this cleaned up already. There's a little bit of more fine-tuning that we need to go and clean up. All I'm doing is using my rag and just wiping off the excess caulking that got left behind. So now everything is nice and cleaned up. That took less than 30 minutes to clean up. And yeah, now it's time to apply the caulking. We're going to be using silicone caulk. So friends, sorry to interrupt, but we here at Fix This House have finally made a membership program. Just click that join button right next to the subscribe button and join a membership. We only have one tier at the moment, but it will greatly help out the channel, and we will give you some great perks that come along with it. If you're interested, check out the link on the description down below, or just click that join button and see all the great perks that we provide here at Fix This House. Thank you so much. Let's get back to the video. So the caulk that I'll be using today is the one by GE. This is the Supreme silicone. Make sure that you use silicone whenever you're working with any types of bathrooms or kitchen projects, because it is 100% waterproof, 100% more flexible, so it's great for any type, especially this shower pan. When you step on it, it flexes a little bit, so that's good. There's a slight difference on this one compared to the other silicone, which I'll show you right here. The only difference, major difference on this one that I like, is because it is durable and scrubbable. So my wife likes to clean around the shower pan after we shower. So the last one, if you use that one, there's a possibility that the mold will start coming back, because once you start scrubbing that one, there'll create some blemishes on the silicone, and mold can go inside those cracks or those scratches. This one, there's a good chances that even if you scrub it or get it scratched up, it will prevent mold from coming back. I'll leave both of those links on the bottom so you can try out both of them and see which works for you. You can start caulking right away without using any masking tape, but in this situation, I'm going to be using masking tape. Most of us are DIYers and we want it done all perfectly done on the first run. So there you go. I left about a 1/4 inch top and bottom. The reason why I like using this one is because it's 30 minutes water ready. Cut off the tip of this. You want to get a dripless caulk gun, because after you squeeze it out, you don't want this over dripping and having to do a lot of cleanup. Apply the caulk. Now it doesn't matter if you go past the line, because yeah, that's the benefit of having masking tape. You can get as messy as you want. Get a wet rag and just wet your hands or the tip of your finger, and then you can just dab it along the line, just like this. I really like using this, and they're called caulk caps. Just put this over the top and you roll it down, and this will make it airtight. Great seal, and it will make it last for many months, up to years. Okay friends, so this will make it last for a very long time. If you want to reuse the caulk again, just roll this up again, use the caulk, and then if you want to save it and close it up, just use this rubber cap called caulk caps. If you're interested on these caulk caps, friends, I use this on all of my caulking videos. Check out the link on the description down below. They're a dime a dozen. They're super cheap, and they come with a lot in the packs. And you don't want to take this off when the caulk is super dry. You want to leave it when it's still a little bit wet. And look how nice and clean those edges are. It just looks professional that way, and all your lines are perfect. There you go. So there you have it, friends. That's how you can easily change out or replace all your moldy caulking, whether it be in your bathroom or your kitchen. It's an easy process. It just takes a little bit of steps and a little bit of patience. Also, make sure you check out this video right here where I compare all the different types of caulk removers and why Caulk Be Gone became #1. Let me know in the comment section down below also if you have any other methods that would be better than this one that I did. And let me know also in the comment section down below which part of the video you found helpful. And if you have any advice on my future videos for removing moldy caulk, let me know in the comment section down below. And again, friends, if you found this video super helpful, please hit that like button, press the subscribe notification bell, and I'll see you friends on the next video.